Think about the videos you scrolled past, the comments you liked today. Are you absolutely sure a human being made them? This chart of total internet traffic reveals the reality. Right now, over 50% of the accounts driving the trends, likes, and comments on your feed are completely synthetic. They are bots. This measurable reality is what researchers call the dead internet theory. It is an observable daily state of the modern web, where machine traffic has quietly overtaken human traffic. Imagine walking into a massive, brilliantly lit stadium. It sounds like a million people talking all at once. But look closely. You realize you're standing in a crowd of highly advanced machines, and you are the only actual person in the room. We treat these platforms like organic communities. In reality, they have become heavily automated environments, altering the nature of our daily digital experience. A decade ago, the web looked very different. Back in the early 2010s, you logged on to see real photos taken by real friends and read articles typed by actual writers. It was a predominantly human-to-human space. But tech platforms quickly realized that human users need to sleep, and they only click on so many things per day. To satisfy aggressive new business models, companies needed a way to infinitely scale up user engagement. They started deploying automated scripts, simple programs designed to scrape the web, auto-generate short articles, drop generic comments, and spark microtrends to keep timelines refreshed. Nobody set out to destroy the human internet. The initial goal was purely optimization. These agents were just digital laborers deployed to keep the platforms active and the metrics climbing. Human creation is slow and unpredictable. In the race for infinite growth, platforms gradually replaced authentic human output with the rapid, reliable volume of these automated laborers. Eventually, those basic scripts evolved. They became so incredibly fast, and their language skills became so convincing that the sheer volume of their output completely drowned out the humans. This network diagram illustrates the tipping point. Billions of bots bypass human users, interacting exclusively with other bots to hit programmed metrics. This closed mechanism is the AI loop. New AI models require massive training data, essentially scraping and learning exclusively from older bots. The core engine of the internet is no longer fueled by our experiences. It is a closed-loop cycle of machines continually training themselves on the output of other machines. We tend to picture a dead internet as a blank screen or a broken server. Instead, the web became overly illuminated. It didn't power down. It suffocated. It drowned in an ocean of flawless, hyper-optimized, artificially generated media that looks perfectly real at first glance. The global trends and viral moments you see on your timeline do not reflect actual human consensus. They are not an organic mirror of real society. What feels like popular culture is actually just the mathematical output of different algorithms calculating against one another for screen time. This vast automated ecosystem leaves very little room for actual people. We have essentially been demoted. We are no longer the active creators driving the web forward. We are merely the passive, captive audience watching the machines perform. So the next time you scroll past a perfectly curated photo that makes you jealous, or read an outrageous comment that spikes your blood pressure, pause for a second. Ask yourself if you are actually reacting to another human being, or if you are simply reacting to a highly optimized line of code designed specifically to trigger that exact emotion. To safely navigate the modern web, you have to accept that it is a heavily engineered illusion. Protect your attention and maintain an extreme skepticism of everything you feel online.